All right, so now let's talk about the soybean market. And I've got the chart up here, and I'm showing you 6 months like I did in the previous corn example. And you can see a very similar general pattern. And when you're in the planting season for soybeans, which is late April through the month of June, fairly stable price action. Had a little dip here. Don't remember what caused that. But the interesting thing about this chart is you can see the pretty pronounced impact of 2 USDA reports. And later in the semester, we're going to learn in detail which USDA reports move markets, what are in them, and why they move markets. And you can see 2 of them pretty strongly here. So here is a report that comes out at the end of June. It's called the Planted Acres Report. There we learn how many acres of corn, soybeans, wheat, and other commodities that farmers actually planted. And so that gives us a big indication about what kind of final production we're going to have, given certain assumptions about if we have normal yields or better than normal yields or less than normal yields as we proceed through the semester. And at the same time, on this day, a report about how much grain and oilseeds are in stocks comes out. So that's 2 big pieces of information that come out on the same day. This is frequently a big day for markets, and you can see a really strong move there. And then in the days and weeks following, you saw a lot of volatile price action in the soybean market. Similar story for soybeans through the month of June, July, and August. They're sort of figuring out if the weather is good or bad, and how that's going to affect yields. In soybeans as well, you can see the effect of the August WASDE report on markets, and that soybeans have been trading in the lower end of its range ever since that report. So like in the corn market, we'll be waiting to see what comes with harvest and whether we really have as good a yields as what has been reported, or whether we'll see some corrections to that number going forward.